We're going to demonstrate today the use of Rilem tubes. This is a Rilem tube to test mortar joints on a masonry wall to see if they're leaking. You want to pick a joint where there's no obvious cracks. And again, the Rilem tube has a standpipe of water with a flanged hole at the bottom for putting a head of pressure against the wall. You take some modeling clay like you would get at Hobby Lobby, make a donut with a hole in the middle, and then press the Rilem tube into it firmly. Then you want to mush it against the brick carefully. Then it's necessary to also put clay around the perimeter of the top edge of the flange. Like this, because there's going to be a significant head of pressure applied to the wall when we fill the tube with water. The example we're doing today, you put water in the tube. We have food coloring in it to make it easier to actually see the water in the tube for demonstration purposes, but normally you don't need to do that. So now we'll put the water in. And we wait. What you can see is the water has started down, and what you can see is over here on the side the mortar is starting to get wet. This wall leaks. And now we're starting to get moisture out this side. And normally you would want the water to stay at the 0 point for 3 minutes with no loss of water to indicate that the wall is not leaking. And as you can see, the water is going right into the wall. So we have all this water going into the wall. We just have a little bit of wet mortar here and here, but as you can see, it's got to be going someplace. It's going into the wall. So this demonstrates the proper use of Rilem tubes for moisture testing a wall.